Hello my crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. This is the part 3, the final part of the Scrappy box. I really like the way it turned out. So I put a hinge, it's hard to show you. I put a hinge in the inside. We did the 4 inside corners together. I decided not to do the long, actually all the inside. I decided not to do that, just the corners. And then I added the hinge on the outside for the cover. And I don't know if you can see this, but I added, I covered all the 3 corners, and the front and the back. Let's see if I can show you. So the only, obviously, part that I didn't, I still need to do this back part. So I'll do the back part, then it will really be finished. But I did all 3 of the bottom, and I'm going to do the 4th one when I finish this video with you guys. But the box is nice. It's really sturdy. And I thought now we would, I tried to zoom out as best I could here. I thought I would just do a little embellishment, and I made some ruffles, and I thought I would just add some ruffles and a little matching bow to the front, and I think that would be really cute. So let's do that. Let's hot glue that on. Hopefully you can see me. So I hope everyone's doing well today. I've really enjoyed this project. I hope you will do it, and I hope you enjoy it as well. And I hope that you're going to join in on the Roxy's Journal of Stitchery with us, and that you make this box to keep all of your materials in. So I'm just going to put one more ruffle on. And if you make the box, I would love it if you post pictures on the Periwinkle Matilda Facebook group. We love seeing all of your makes. Just going to add some more glue here. Since it's going to be opened a lot, I want to make sure it's glued down real well. I think I'll add some more glue in here. And then I made a little bow that will match the material. Hopefully that's the center. Okay. So I'm going to show you how, I'm just going to unplug my hot glue here. I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this box. Oh, and I'm going to use it the same way that Roxy, or that Rachel, whoop, Lamps of Roxy Creations uses her big box. My lamp's in the way here. So I'm just going to get some of my materials and then I can show you. And I plan on folding them up. I have to undo these, but these are actually my smaller bits. I have some large pieces too, so. But I plan on stacking them like this. How fun is that? Let's see. And then you can kind of see it from the top, all your stash. Oh, I wanted to show you some other things that I'm going to add to my materials. I found some more of this printed. I need to take the paper off the back. It got stuck, but I'm going to use this material. And I have this vintage, found it at a thrift store. Love it. And it's a really big piece. And it's like embroidered lace. I absolutely love it. And then I have this lace, which I actually found on AliExpress. And this I got on AliExpress. As well as this one. So you can find some nice things on AliExpress. You just have to really look. And I got some other trims and things from Ali. So yeah, that's how I'm going to use the box. I hope you enjoyed this series of making a box and give it a whirl. It is a lot of work, but it's so much fun. And in the end, it's so rewarding. So thank you again for joining me. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, and until the next video, bye-bye, my crafty friends.